Hey everyone, welcome back to our Crypto Basics series. Today, we're tackling a straightforward task, transferring Solana from Kraken to Gemini in 2025. If you're new to crypto or just switching exchanges, don't worry. This guide will walk you through it step by step. First off, Solana is a fast and scalable blockchain, and moving it between exchanges like Kraken and Gemini is a common way to manage your assets. But remember, always prioritize security to protect your funds. Let's dive in. Step 1. Make sure you have verified accounts on both Kraken and Gemini. This is crucial for smooth withdrawals and deposits. Most exchanges require identity verification to prevent fraud. Step 2. Log into your Kraken account and head to the Withdraw section. Select Solana from the list of assets, then enter the amount you want to transfer. Keep an eye on any withdrawal fees, as they can vary. Step 3. Now, switch to your Gemini account. Go to the deposit page, select Solana, and copy the wallet address provided. This is your destination. Double-check it to avoid any mistakes. Step 4. Back on Kraken, paste the Gemini wallet address into the withdrawal form. Choose the correct network. Solana transactions use the Solana network, so ensure that's selected. Review everything one last time, then confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation notification. Step 5. Wait for the transfer to complete. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, log back into Gemini and check your balance to confirm the Solana has arrived. A quick tip. If you're dealing with larger amounts, consider using a hardware wallet for extra security. Also, be aware of any minimum withdrawal limits on Kraken. If you run into issues, both exchanges have helpful support teams. There you have it. That's how you transfer Solana from Kraken to Gemini in 2025. It's simple once you know the steps, but always stay cautious in the crypto world. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more guides like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.